through like a speedy version?
So the quantum field healing visualization, we take our attention to the part of the body that you want to focus on. And you imagine that you're inside your cells. And you imagine what they would be like. Now, we all imagine it in our own way. Some people see like high definition. Some people just kind of feel and sense. However you imagine, you're doing it right. Because we all imagine uniquely. So you imagine the cells, then imagine going inside the cells to where the DNA lives. It's like the yolk of an egg, the DNA is in there. And imagine what it's like, and either seeing it, sensing it, feeling it. And then imagine going inside the DNA to the atoms, and then we imagine going into the atoms to the subatomic particles, the protons, the electrons. You can picture them like the night sky, actually, because that's what it would look like if you could see it. It would be like the night sky. And then we imagine going inside the star, a proton or an electron, and dropping down to this field of pure energy, the quantum field, just waves of energy. And then we imagine waves of illness, because everything ultimately, all atoms and all things ultimately arise from the quantum field. So therefore the waves of the vibrations of the illness will ultimately come from here in some place. So you imagine waves of illness, what they would look like, either seeing them, sensing them, feeling them, and just imagine they just go poof, gone. And then replace them, just cancel them, and replace them with waves of wellness. And imagine what these beautiful waves of wellness would be like. And then we just bring our attention back to the night sky, but seeing the stars now, almost coloured with wellness. Bring our attention back to the atoms, and imagine the atoms that almost like coloured with wellness. We bring our attention back to the DNA. Imagine the DNA now coloured with wellness. The same for the cells. See the cells coloured with wellness. Back to where we started in the body. And when we get back to where we started in the body, we imagine that part of the body in a state of complete wellness. And it's quite a simple process. Into the body, down to the quantum field, change the waves, come back out of the quantum field to where you started.
Now just walk us through a 2-minute version.
Jag tror att jag blev berörd. Stopp.